Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can fix the white screen issue on your WhatsApp for PC. So first, if your WhatsApp is opened in the background, completely close or exit the application on your device. And then after, click on the Windows search bar and search for apps and features and open it. Now from this list, scroll down, find WhatsApp and click on it. Then select advanced options, and this will take you to this kind of interface where you need to scroll down and you'll get the option of repair. Go ahead and click on this. This will try fixing the app, but the app's data won't be affected. But if the repair is not working, you can go ahead and reset it. So select reset, which is below the repair option. Select reset again to confirm. And after following these steps, you can reopen WhatsApp and the white screen problem should be resolved. If not, you can go ahead and right-click on the WhatsApp, then select uninstall. Select uninstall again to confirm. Completely delete the application from your device, then open Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp and install it again on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.